Okay, so we bought these suitcases about a month or so ago, maybe 2 months ago. We bought these suitcases. We used them about 3 weeks ago. We went away to Mexico to one of these all-inclusive resorts. Anyway, there's these, and then the one that we really loved was this one. It was the little mini suitcase. It's so small, but what was great about it is we found that we were able to put like our swimsuits in it. That's a bunch of junk just fell out. Put our swimsuits in it, put shorts and t-shirts and stuff so that we had something to change into until our rooms were ready when we were at the resort. But the insides are all the same. They all have little stretchy bands. They all have some different pockets. They held up really great in the airport. They ride really smooth as we were rolling them in. We had no problems rolling every one of them in because they have those 4 wheels. Let's see if we can show you. So they have 4 and they go in all directions. So these are really great. And we found that the color was awesome. We were able to see our bags right away when we were picking them up. And then they have this really nice feature also. When it holds it in place, and then you can use, there's a key, and then there's also the combination, and then all you do is just pop the little thing and it lets your thing fly out. So it was really good. And they're SHOWKOO is the name of the brand. SHOWKOO. So if you need a decent set of luggage, these were not tremendously expensive. It was actually a really good price for all 4 bags. These are the bags that I would suggest you get. Have a great day. Ready to leave again, so.
So I followed the instructions and it did not work, and now I can't get my suitcase open at all. I tried to go back to 0. It is not working at all, and I'm super heated. I'm angry because I haven't had these that long, and I wasn't going to use it, but because I'm getting ready to like travel overseas, I figure might as well go ahead and set these. Nope, it's not working. I need another suitcase, and it's the small one, not the smallest one, but the small one before the smallest one. So suitcase number 3.
Okay. So it's just
question on the floor? Yeah.
This is crazy. The zipper. It's coming apart at the seams. It just opens up. There's the zipper.
4 pieces inside. Hopefully there's 4 in there.